So let's talk about public revenue. Public revenue means it is the income of the government. So there are various classification available. So public revenue can be classified as tax and non-tax. So tax means it is the compulsory payment and it is not quid pro quo, that is no direct returns. If a man pays his tax, he will not be getting direct service from the government. So that is what we call the no quid pro quo. So tax is a compulsory payment. Now non-tax means the government have other means. For example, administrative and commercial means. Administrative means suppose if we are going to take admission in a college, we want to pay a particular amount to the government. That is called administrative mode of revenue. So in administrative mode, a particular citizen may or may not pay the money. If he pays the money, he will get the service, or else he will not get the service. That is called administrative one. Now there is commercial one. Commercial one means, for example, Indian Railways. In that case, if we are paying the money, we will get a service then and there. So that is called a commercial one. So it comes under non-tax. Now tax is again divided into direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax means the burden cannot be shifted. That means income tax. Suppose if you are considering income tax, if 30% of income tax is to be collected, every person who is having an income should give 30%. He cannot shift his responsibility from his part to another person. But indirect tax means shiftability is provided. That means, suppose say, that is an example. Suppose say, from the consumer, the government is taking 50% of the tax. Then the consumer will get the amount of tax along with the price of his commodity and his profit from the consumers. So that is called indirect tax. So in the indirect tax, the person can get the amount from some other means. So in our public revenue system, tax and non-tax, tax is again divided into two, non-tax is again divided into two. This is how, in a way, our Indian administrative system finds its income. Thank you.